Winter is quickly approaching and it's also 2020. Help yourself breathe better with this QDH 3.5 liter humidifier. It's available on Amazon for right under $40, and you can also use this coupon. What's awesome about this unit is that it features fancy LED lights. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to test out the QDH humidifier. Here are the instructions on how to fill it. It should be pretty basic. It's a humidifier. It's not a PlayStation. So here's the model number, voltage, capacity 3.5 liter, frequency 50-60 Hz, rated power 22 watts, and mist output of 200 milliliters per hour. That's the support page. So once out of the packaging, it looks like this. You get a user's guide and like a thank you support card. And it's nicely wrapped up. Your humidifier is going to weigh 1.95 pounds without any water in it, and it measures 11.4 inches by 7.08 in both directions. As you can see, it's quite a beautiful unit. Got a transparent plastic casing right here. This is where the water spout is with some cutouts, so you get that greater water output, evaporation. Here's what the chamber is. This is where you fill it with water. All right, and that's the bottom unit and what it looks like. Ooh, don't forget to remove this, looks like. Very simple, and that must be the LED bulb. QDH logo. That's the power, 3 settings, low, medium, high. You can also set it to 2, 4, 6, 8 hours. And here's what the bottom looks like with some of this rubber padding so it doesn't slip. Very simple. Let's go ahead and fill this up with water. All right, so I got some water in the pitcher right here. Here you can remove the lid. Don't forget it is 3.5 liter capacity. I'm using simple tap water. Of course, it's probably preferred to use distilled water. And you can also apply aromatherapy by putting some oil in here. Wow, I thought this would use it all up. Definitely large capacity right there. So I know there's no fill line. That's something they should actually put in here, but I'm pretty sure it's probably along the level. We just use it like it is right now. So I have the power plugged in right now. You notice the red blinking light. So just touch this right here, turn it on. It turns blue and automatically starts the low setting, and it's already producing some mist. And it's cool to the touch. Very fast working. One more. Medium. See, it's spitting out greater amount of water. And by the way, when you pour water in, make sure you don't get into the nozzle. And one more for high. Okay, and now you're probably wondering, what about the LED lights? Well, let's go ahead and test that out. There's a timer setting, 2, 4, 6, 8 hours. And one more touch. It's that alternate from red, orange, green. If you want to strictly turn on the LED light without turning on the timer, what you want to do is long press it. See how it turns on? And then long press it to turn it off. And to blue, let me turn off my studio lighting so we can see that better. Let's see how much light it illuminates. Super quiet too. And there it is. I don't think there's a setting where you can adjust the light that you want. Let's say if you like it blue and you just stick to blue lighting. You can't do that. Maybe in the next model they should do something like that. Wow. Even though it claims to be super quiet at 36 decibels, but it's where that water is dripping or operating with the nozzle, that sounds louder than the unit itself where it's spitting out the mist. I do really love the LED lights. Like I said, I wish you could just choose a color that it will stick with that you like, and also maybe a little bit brighter, because I'm trying to look for that LED effect to brighten up my YouTube studio. You can see right there, that's my new setup. And this powers a room that's 200 square feet, by the way. And if you use the lowest setting, I believe, you can have it working upwards to 30 hours, which spits out in 110 milliliters per hour continuous mode. I have to admit, guys, this is one of the coolest humidifiers I've ever tested. I love the LED light feature, even though that was the cool aspect of it. If they could make those minor adjustments that I recommended, then they would have an outstanding product on their next release. Somewhat quiet, but it has 3 settings, so it gives you the breathability throughout the night. If you're looking to have better air quality and to help you sleep better and breathe better, check out the QDH humidifier. I'm sure you guys will be pleased you did. Take care of yourselves.